Hey bro, it's your 30th birthday! Yay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy 30th birthday, Mridushi! Happy 30th birthday to you! This is a milestone birthday, बहुत ही यादगार, बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक 2020 में 30th बर्थडे है. सो इन आई नो इट मस्ट feel so annoying to not be able to travel. I remember the grand plans that you were making for this birthday, but China clearly spoiled it. But कोई नहीं, ट्रैवल ही है, इस साल नहीं अगले साल कर लेंगे. सेलिब्रेशन तो अपना ही है, आज नहीं कल कर लेंगे. So I hope you're having a nice time in your staycation. um, Arun has taken this effort to, give you the surprise. So enjoy every bit of it while it lasts. It's a special kind of celebration, I'm sure. And I definitely miss, cutting cakes together, celebrating together, sharing that excitement. Yaar, birthday month start ho gaya, birthday month start ho gaya. Then, gifts they used to start keep pouring in office, and those surprises, small, small surprises. And आई रियली मिस दैट एंड आई एम श्योर दैट इवन यू आर मिसिंग इट. हम मिल भी नहीं पा रहे हैं यार, कितने महीने हो गए हम मिले नहीं हैं. तो ठीक है, मे बी सोनर और लेटर आऊँगी मैं बॉम्बे वापस, तब तो डेफिनेटली मिलूँगी. सो या, आई विश यू लोड्स ऑफ लक, सेंडिंग यू लोड्स ऑफ लव. भगवान करे जल्दी से छुटकारा मिले कुछ लोगों से, और तरक्की हो लाइफ में. बहुत प्रेशर्स आने वाले हैं. मधुश्री 30th बर्थडे हो गया है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. आई नो साइलेंटली मन में आप अब्यूज़ करोगे मुझे अभी, बट होने वाला है. बी प्रिपेयर्ड. दैट्स माई मैं आगाह कर रही हूँ आपको, अभी आने वाला है. 30th बर्थडे हो गया बेटा. So, there are certain things that I really, really like about you. The first, and मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ, you are a very trustworthy friend, Madhushi, and I really, really admire that bit about you. So, you're so simple, you're so grounded. I really pray and I'm sending you this wish कि आप लाइफ में हमेशा वैसे रहो, कभी भी डोंट चेंज फॉर एनीवन. स्ट्रेस मत लिया करो किसी का. आई नो एंड आई हैव सीन योर जर्नी, फ्रॉम दैट होल stressful look of yours, you've gone to this whole de-stressed look. That looks good on you, by the way. So have a nice day, have an awesome year, एंड न्यू ईयर पे तो हम मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे, और फिर पार्टी करेंगे. वी हैव टू गो टू सम न्यू प्लेस दिस टाइम इन PPE किट्स. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या कपड़े पहनने उसका भी टेंशन नहीं है. सो हैव फन, एंजॉय, मिस यू, लव यू. बाय.
Hi Mridushi, happy birthday. So sorry, I'm actually recording this video in my jammies because I think most of the day is spent in my jammies only these days. Very happy birthday to you. While recording this video, I am remembering something funny and similar that we watched together and we broke into peals of laughter. I'll say two words which will make you remember what I'm speaking about: Sunday tea, ginger tea. So this video seems to be a similar thing, but of course a lot more meaningful and sincere. So essentially, very happy birthday to you. You've turned 30, yay! And also remember, I made you 30 I think 2 years ago when I took you for chest pain to SRL. And despite having severe chest pain, I think that gave you the bigger shock that, oh my god, Arunima thinks I'm 30 when I'm actually 28. So yeah, and so many happy memories we shared together, so much of laughter, so many outings. Four of us have had so many drinking sessions: Shiva's night, beer night. We've gone to all these amazing places to hog and eat. I remember once when I dragged you guys to Toast and Tonic, and I insisted that you have that cocktail. And I don't know if you all enjoyed it, but I was already high. So when you came to Piramal, we started off, by chatting with each other, getting to know each other. Since then, I think you've developed a very deep bond. and it's an amazing friendship, amazing equation that we have, and it's one of those friendships that's just going to last for a long time. There's no way this is ever going to come to an end. And so three things which I admire about you amongst many others. First thing is that I just have to say sheer work ethics and dedication to work and technical expertise. Sorry, this is a boring thing to say, but I really admire that. And I think the way you work, your work ethics shows a lot about you as an individual. So that is something I supremely admire. Second thing is just the amount of fun, the fun person that you are to be with. Third thing is the amount of empathy that you show when other people share their problems along with you. And it's especially harder to show empathy when a person shares a problem with you which you may not have personally experienced. So I have basically vented out a whole lot of my mommy issues, etc. to you. Without having gone through that personally, you've really shown a lot of understanding. You've gone above and beyond to understand what the problem might be, and you've shown tremendous amount of empathy to be there for me and to understand those issues and to console me, to make me confident. So I think it takes a very positive individual to show that much amount of empathy when others share their problems and issues along with you. So big thanks for that. And so Anirban will also say a few words in a bit. In the meantime, bye from me, bye for now, and I'll anyway see you. I'll see you tomorrow. So chalo, bye neighbor, bye.
Hi Mridushi, many happy returns of the day. I'm sure it's going well considering Arun has planned it out. We feel very good that Arun and you have become very good friends with us, more so since the time you have moved closer to us. And I'm sure you have some special spark in you which made Tuku utter Mamaka dose so quickly. Keep that spark alive, stay healthy, stay peaceful, and stay happy because nothing else matters.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. जोर से ए टुकू. अच्छा मृदुषी के डेगा था जोर से.
Happy birthday, Mridushi. It's very surprising that you've reached your 30s just now, considering I'm much closer to my 40s. Have a great year ahead and an amazing decade ahead. I miss having a good friend around in office. Could you please come back to Trilingual? Wish you all the very best. Bye.
Hi Mridushi, happy birthday. Hope you have a fun-filled year ahead, and hope this corona goes away soon, because then we can celebrate our birthdays like we used to do in our college days, because Ketchup and Surf Excel used to await all of our birthdays. I wish you all the happiness in the world, and I really cherish our friendship. It's over a decade that we are friends, and I admire a lot of qualities about you. So it would be difficult to mention all the qualities, but definitely I'm going to highlight one of them. That's like your impeccable choice of friends. Just kidding. Happy birthday, love you a lot.
Hi Amarai, happy birthday. Hope you have a rocking birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Now that you become 30, people will tell you all sorts of nonsense about how you become very old and your life is over and it's a milestone and all that. Don't take them too seriously, ignore them, because you're never too old to be young. So chill, relax and rock the world as you've always been doing since the time I met you. Cheers, happy birthday, love you.
Hello MRI, many happy returns of the day. I thought of doing something a little bit special with this video, but unfortunately given my awesome technological skills in such things, I thought it is better to just let it be. Anyway, you enjoy your day tomorrow and have an amazing and fabulous birthday. Wishing you a happy birthday once again.